viewers, welcome to the channel. What's up? So in this video we are going to find antilog of a number, integer number, fractional number, decimal number. Okay, for that whatever the value is given, enter the value in 10 powers. Okay, I will show you example. Take 10, press this one, it will show like this. Enter the value here, 23. Therefore antilog of 23 is 10 power 1 into 10 power 23. Second value 1 by 3. Again press 10. Power value, it is a fraction, so 1 divided by 3, 2.154. The third one is decimal value 0.25. Again 10 power 0.25. Answer is 1.778. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.